In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5 and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to hit safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts. Select add emergency contact and click on the one you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. When you finished, hit done at the top right corner. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, my contacts were successfully added. Make sure this switcher next to show info when locked is blue, so all of those contacts will be accessible from a locked screen. To remove any of them, use remove button next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!